My personal hope for AI in the future of education is to provide support to teachers and effective outcomes for students. Often I'm asked, is AI going to replace a teacher? AI will never replace teachers. Human teachers are critical to learning, and we're not going to replace teachers, but what we do want is to make their job much easier and for them to be more effective. My goal is to develop an AI co-pilot. We'll be building a framework that consists of the knowledge, skills, and abilities that teachers need to know and be able to do to teach reading successfully. That means that I would, in the background, build, here are the research articles that support evidence-based practices, and then identify common questions that teachers ask. The co-pilot would then be able to answer teachers' questions. For example, one evidence-based practice is teaching using successive blending. So a teacher might ask, my student is having trouble blending sounds together. They can say all the sounds in a word, but when they try to blend them together, they can't do it. What should I do? The co-pilot, by looking into the research that we have preloaded, would be able to tell them a strategy that you should teach is successive blending. And then because we put in step-by-step instructions for how to do successive blending, that co-pilot would actually be able to teach the teacher how to use successive blending. I believe that if our hearts are in the right place and that we are truly looking at child outcomes as the ultimate measure of our jobs as educators, then that allows us to really be innovative, because if something's not working, we're going to pivot and we're going to change what we're doing, we're going to research, we're going to collect data, and we're going to make decisions based on those data. AI provides us the opportunity to collect even more data and to pivot more quickly. And that's one of the things that's really exciting about the use of AI in education.